Welcome back everyone, this is PyProTech. So today in this video we won't learn something new. I'm just going to show you a sneak peek on which project I was working in. So this is more like a HTML and then CSS combination with JavaScript. So let's get started in this video. So just stay safe in this COVID-19 situation. For me it's raining over here, so I hope you don't hear some rain noises. Anyways, let's get started in this video. So if you're new to the channel, what are you gonna do? You are gonna subscribe and you're gonna like this video till the end, watch till the end, and then share and show some love. So let's get started. So this is, if you see, I'm just gonna cross this, and this is the index.html. So this HTML is basically the main core of my project, where every class I mentioned, every like the format, everything is included over here. And if you notice, so this section class, so basically every class I write in this index.html, I go to style.js CSS, which is the CSS file, and I style it over here. For example, I have a class HTML and body. I style it, the background color has to be white, color has to be like gray, and then font family, font weight, font size. But if you want to include a font family over here, you go to index.html and then you have to include the font family. If you see link href, and I have included a fonts.google APIs. So there's a website called Google Fonts, where you can like get the CSS format of or the link, CSS link of the font you need. So it's Google Fonts, which is highly valuable if you want to go and just check it out. And then so this is some JavaScript, and this is queries.css, where I've added like for the mobile version. So queries.css is only the code which has mobile friendly. For example, if I run my server, and you guys will see how this website will turn out. So this is my website. If you see, this image is fixed. If I just scroll down, this image will not move with me, it's fixed. So only the text will show. And over here, this is the hover effect. Okay, it's raining, so you might hear some noise. So this is the hover effect, and if you see, every picture I click, it brightens up. And then over here, this is like a picture of like iPhone, and then how it works. And this is the city section, and this is a comment. So if you see, there's like a background over here of like a pizza, like a Domino's, not even a Domino's, it's like a common pizza. And if I scroll down, you see the comments, the text is fixed, the picture is fixed, and this is probably the payment section, where you click sign up now, which like plan you want to go. And this is like a we're happy to hear from you, where you can like add comments or maybe email to us. And the best part is, if I click here, I'm hungry, it takes me to start eating healthy today, and this is like the plan pipe. So you might be thinking, how is this happening through HTML and CSS? We're just like background code. It's not like Python, the Django, where Python is like a easy program. It's so easy to use. HTML and CSS is also easy to use. So if I click here, show me more, I go and turn it to be here. So if the most amazing part, I'll just show you in a bit. If I click here, food delivery, how it works. If you click here, so this bar is fixed. I mean, it's not fixed, I made it to be fixed. And then how it works, our cities, sign up. And the best part is, yes, this is the best part. So if I just have the code over here, so this is the mobile version. So for those people who want to see this website in mobile, obviously I haven't uploaded this website, uploaded this project in the internet. So if you see, this is the mobile version. So this is like a tab for those people who have tab or iPads. If you see the food delivery, how it works, our cities are still there. It's not cutting out, nothing is cutting out, everything is on screen, and then everything looks great. Now if I shorten this, wait a second. If you see, if I shorten this, then this bar comes, which is a nav bar. If I click this, nothing shows up, because this is a mobile version. Nothing will show up because it's a mobile version. And if you see, the logo is here, and then boom, There's pictures, which is still hovering, and then the picture looks better, and which is much more compact. And then if you see here, this pizza looks better, every comment over here looks so good, and this is all like underneath each other, like premium, pro, and then starter. And we're happy to hear from you. Even the button over here has been centered. Every button over here has been centered. If I just go ahead and do this, and then boom, it goes into the desktop version. So this is the probably the website that I made. And so just comment down below if you want to learn like how to make a proper website, like probably any website, like through HTML and CSS. I will give you a tutorial. I will give you courses on HTML and CSS. I will recommend you websites to learn HTML and CSS for practicing. So I think this is the end of the video. So comment down below if you really like this video. Comment down below like for doubts, for like queries, if you want to learn HTML and CSS after the Django course. So this is probably the sneak peek I gave you right now, and comment down below if you really like this website. I'd be grateful to message you back, like share some love. So if you really like this video, just go ahead and share this with your friends. It would be really grateful for me. And alright, see you in the next video. Take care in this COVID-19. Adios.